Hello, my name is Chittapong Lepasakit. Today I'll present about digital door lock with last 4 digits of student number. And last 4 digits of my student number is 0, 0, 8, and 1. The circuit is on PCB. And I will test with vector test. And start at clock 0. Clock 0 is no input. And clock 1 is input button 0. And clock 2 is release the button. And clock 3 is input in button 1 and 3. And clock 4 is release. Clock 5 is input in button 6. And clock 7 and clock 6 is release the button. Clock 7 is input in button 0. And clock 8 release. And clock 9 button 0. Clock 10 release. Clock 11 button 8. Clock 12 release. Clock 13 button 7. Clock 14 buttons 4. And clock 15 release. Clock 16 0 button. Clock 17 release. Clock 18 button 0. Clock 19 release. Clock 20 button 8. Clock 21 release. Clock 22 button 1. And next is release. And I will put the wrong button to reset. And next I will show you top view and bottom view. This is my PCB on top view, and I will flip. This is my PCB on bottom view. Thank you.